My name's Lucas Underwood. I'm with L&N Performance Automotive Repair in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. I met Autoshop Solutions through ASTE, the Automotive Service and Technology Expo here in Cary, North Carolina just a few years ago, and chose them for my website. It has been an amazing experience, and the real reason is they are so receptive to my business and what I want for my business. In working with them, they've been dynamic and they change as we need them to change and as my business changes, and they have been a true partner to our marketing plan here for the shop. We have just expanded, or we're in the process of expanding. We're going from a 2.5 bay shop into about a 10 bay shop. And the reason that's important to me is because we started just about 4 years ago doing $14,000 and $15,000 a month in that 2.5 bay. Now we're doing over $125,000 a month in that 2.5 bay. Same size staff, same size facility. And I really contribute a lot of that to the help from Autoshop Solutions when it comes to the marketing. So that's been our experience with them. They have been phenomenal and they have done so much to help us. We really believe Autoshop Solutions is part of our family. We also have a great service with Mechanic Advisor. We signed up with them about a year ago, and one of the great things about Mechanic Advisor, we went from about a 1 visit per year per client to now we're seeing about 2.25 visits per year per client. So we've definitely seen more visits per year per client. The big thing though is we are seeing so many more Google reviews. We were basically getting a review a month, and right now we're getting about 7 reviews a month through Mechanic Advisor. And the other thing is it allows us to stay in constant contact and keep our client constantly updated through text and through email. And that allows us to serve them where they want to be served. So many of our clients today, they don't want to be called on the telephone. They don't want an email message necessarily. They really prefer that text message. So we're able to text them. That's how we get all these great reviews. And I'm going to tell you, those great reviews are what drive clients into your shop. If you've got poor reviews or low reviews, the client may choose another shop, and Mechanic Advisor helps you get those reviews in the door to make sure your clients understand that you're a trustworthy and loyal shop for them.